Enabling visions, today, tomorrow, together, but who we are. Smartworks is the corporate venture capital investment house of Wiener Stadtwerke and Wien Energie. So we are based in Vienna, and Wiener Stadtwerke is Austria's largest public service provider, and Wien Energie itself is the largest utility in Austria. Smartworks has a task. The task is to find innovations to help the group companies to get fit for the future, to challenge, to handle the challenges of the future, with which we are faced too. How can we support startups? Next to the cash, we offer the startups industry know-how. We have a lot of that because we are well experienced, long existing group in total. So there are a lot of different group companies like Wiener Linie, and it's the operator of the public transport system. It's the Wiener Netze, it's a distribution grid operator of Vienna. We have the Wien Energie, as already mentioned, and a lot of other companies, a lot of experience. And we offer the startups access to our customers, access to our industrial know-how, to our infrastructure as a whole, to our ecosystem. We are very well connected with the city government, so to get things done and get things on the road, we also have support from the city itself, so we can open the doors to get the support there. What are we looking for? There are many searching fields. The most important, everything what help us to decarbonize our energy systems. We operate the third largest district heating system in Europe, and you can imagine that to decarbonize such an infrastructure is really a challenge. We need more control systems, software support, and things like that, as well as we see in the trend that also the energy market as a whole gets more and more democratic, more and more private. There are completely new infrastructures needed to make communication between the stakeholders possible, also for the future. We have topics like energy community to make changing energy and something like that possible. We have a huge topic in the cycle economy. So waste to energy is very important for us. Everything in kind of innovation will help us is welcome. In hydrogen, we started to set up our first fuel station. We started to fuel our bus fleet from the public transport with hydrogen, and want to make experience and in the transportation to enlarge also this business. We invested and still invest in a LoRaWAN-based infrastructure. So we are looking for IoT solutions and services helping us based on the LoRaWAN to offer new kind of services to our customers and hopefully to new customers. Smart grid, as mentioned, Wiener Netze, the grid operator in Vienna. So also the challenge for them, we have more and more electric mobility in the grid. We have a lot of many more renewable energy coming into the grid with all these volatilities from the weather and so on. So there are also a big need for solutions in this field. What are our investment criteria? The criteria are simple, easy. So we need a co-investment, so we don't want to be a single investor. It's the first. Our geographic focus is Europe. Our maximum ticket size, 500K per financial round. We feel very comfortable in the early stage, so means in our definition, late seed phase, so the startup should have the first revenues, and including Series E. And the end, the most important criteria is the strategic fit. So the first what we investigate is how can the innovation, how can the service, the product from the startup generate added value in our chain, value chains. And if this has a positive result, the way is free also for an investment. Yes, as already mentioned, Wiener Stadtwerke is the powerhouse. So 15,000 employees, 3 billion euro per annum in turnover. and with a mission. We want to make Vienna not only to the most livable town in the world, but also to the most innovative town in the world. And yeah, startup founder and co-investors, if you want to support us to achieve these goals, then yeah, I'm very happy to meet you outside afterwards, and thank you for your attention.